everyone, welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute cactus. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with. Let's begin by making the flower pot our cactus is going to be in. So I'm going to make a little C shape right here and then make a J, wrapping it around to touch that C. One line going down, another line going up, and there you have it. We have our flower pot. Let's start making the body of the cactus. We're going to have this kind of cupcake base shape right there and a straight line to close up our cactus. Next, let's get the arms. We're going to work our way going down to up today and looping it this way and around. And I'm going to connect the head right here. And I'm going to leave a little space on the right hand side, looping it around and stopping right there so that I can fit my other arm. It's going to wave. Hello! And then coming back down. Next, let's get some features on here. I'm going to make a cute mouth. A little line going upward, U shape for the bottom of the mouth, and an M for the tongue. 1, 2. Let's make some big eyes. Circle right there. I'm leaving a little space and then make a backward C and closing it up very carefully. Doing the same thing again. I'm actually going to start with a smaller C and make a big C right there. Now I have the big eyes to make it look so cute. A U shape on the top, and let's make that flower. Start with a tiny circle right there and do little cloud shape lines. Wrapping it around, and one more to close it up. And then I'm going to make it look three-dimensional, so I'm going to add some lines going right underneath it. There you have it. We have a three-dimensional flower up there, and I'm going to now make some lines going vertically downward so I can connect those spikes to it. So there, I'm also making it come a little bit out so it can show our cactus is round. And do a line going inward, touching that eye, and then going down. And then one more on the other side, touching the eye, going down. There you go. Let's add some lines to the arm. Here's 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Our cactus is almost complete. Let's make some little spikes, little end shapes or pointy triangles. I'm going to make mine a little bit more curved to make it seem more friendly. And remember, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video so that you can go at your own pace. We're ready to color. You can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.